my beautiful people. I am so honored to have you today for another unboxing. I have been doing unboxings just because I enjoyed watching other people's unboxings, so I started filming mine. I really like to use my channel as a place to document some of my stories. I've been a youth director for 25 years, but this is kind of my hobby obsession. So thank you for spending a few minutes with me, and if you are able to give your input or leave comments, I always appreciate that because sometimes I have a hard time deciding. So welcome, thank you for coming back to those who subscribe. And today is Trendsend. So Trendsend is the one from Eve. Ooh, the box is blowing out. It doesn't cost anything, so no styling fee, no shipping cost, both ways. You really can't lose, so it's always a good one. And if you have somebody use your link, you get 20% off. So today I want to especially thank Mandi F and Amy G for using my link, because of you I get 20% off my box today, and when you allow somebody else to use your link, you get 20% off too. So you get your little note from your stylist to tell you, but I didn't peek, so I don't know what's in my box. So I'm excited to see. So let's see. First, we have Free People. Ooh, Free People's fun. It's a cream colored. It is long sleeve, kind of pullover. It's really hot right now, but you know what? I get cold and I like this. It says it's $98, so this must be a new release. Maybe they're getting ready for the fall with that. So I like it. Can't go wrong with a simple pullover. And then there's a graphic tee. Oh, this one's cute. It says, "Good morning, sunshine," and have a nice day. That's totally me. I like that. Super soft. This is by Suburban Riot, so I like that. I'll list all the prices and descriptions in the description box if you would like to put. Oh, these are cool. These are a sanctuary camo, that kind of peace trooper lightweight pant. I love this material because if you get it wet or you sweat a lot, it dries easily. So these are probably really expensive too. Yeah, $119. So they better be nice for that price, right? I tell you, Trendsend is a little pricey, but the good thing is if you watch their website, things do go on sale, and sometimes they send you things on sale. In fact, if you want to request things on sale, you can even do that. Next, by Braeve, $48. We have this tank top. It has some really pretty colors. Cute little flowy tank. Oh, the back is different. The back has a split. So I'm not usually a fan of the split back, but we'll see how that works. I get to try everything. That's the fun thing about these things, right? And then this is an Alison Joy. Oh, I like this. It's the simple tank cross like that. It's $58. And then with that, it's like my bundles aren't actually wrapped together, so I'll have to check the note to see which ones are supposed to be outfits for the try-on part. But this, what is this? It's maybe a cold shoulder. It's got a lot of openings. We've got a Sunday in Brooklyn, $58. I'm really not sure how this goes, y'all. Not trying to be difficult. Maybe the tag is stuck on it. Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna have to try this on. And then here's some jeans. Articles of Society. I like those. I'm not in the market for jeans, but they make nice ones, so I can try them on. There's the distressing and a cuff hem. So, Articles of Society. And then it looks like one more thing. Oh, I think I might have had this one pinned. This pattern looks familiar. So, this is a really pretty Banda Gypsies. And it's beautiful colors, and it's got the top, and then it's a maxi. So I'm 5'2", we'll see if it fits. So those are my clothes. I will try them on, and hold on, and I would love to hear what you think. Okay, first off, this is by Banda Gypsies. It is a royal blue high-low maxi, and I think it's gorgeous. I think it's with my heels, it might actually be the right length, so tell me what you think. Okay, I'm not sure why I had such a hard time figuring this out when I took it out of the box, but this is called Sunday in Brooklyn. It is the sweater cowl tank in olive. It's kind of a tunic length, longer in the back. It would be super cute with some leggings, and I do like it with the jeans. This is the Articles of Society Karen cuff crop, and it's got distressing, and it's not so much of a crop on me because I'm only 5'2", but this is super soft, pretty comfortable. Tell me what you think. Okay, next, this is this is by Braeve. It's called the Ashley Flyaway Tank. It's super lightweight and flowy. It does pretty well under the arms. You can see the back. It's nice and lightweight, especially compared to that sweater that I was just wearing. This one's super easy to wear in the summer. Okay, this is the Allison Joy Carmen surplus top. It has the little wrap with a little snap. It does have the actual wrap, but I think it stays closed. I like the length and hang under the arms. It's got some elastic around the waist. It's super comfortable. I have quite a few black tops, so I'll have to check my closet to see, but this one is really soft, nice and easy. I've got it on with the Sanctuary pull-on trooper pants. I think they fit pretty well. Kind of the cargo, really nice, easy, dry material. I do have some camo jeans as well as some camo joggers, so I'm not sure I'm in the need for these, but they feel pretty good, so let me know what you think. Okay, my stylist actually had the Suburban Riot graphic tee paired with the trooper pants. So it's, with the 20% discount, it's $30. So I've kind of gotten on a kick of getting the 2 for $20 or $12 shirts from Kohl's and Target. So I have quite a few graphic tees too, but this one's super soft, super comfortable, super easy. So we'll see. Last, we have the Free People pullover. This is like $100. So considering it's like more expensive than that dress, it'll probably be a pass. It also has this really high slit on the side. So in the winter when it's chilly, I might be tempted to get this, but hopefully it'll go on sale before then, right? So I'll be right back with some final thoughts. Okay, so some final thoughts. My stylist was Sophia M, so I think she did an outstanding job on this box. I have never gotten the same stylist with Trendsend, but they do always seem to pay attention to my Pinterest or my notes and do a wonderful job picking out some great items. There's nothing that I, right off the bat, don't like at all. The Alison Joy little black top fit well. I have to see where I would get with that with a bunch of other black tops in my closet. And graphic tees, same thing. Love this one, super soft, really easy. We'll debate that. The camo pants, I don't know. I like them, but have some similar things. This Free People top I'm not going to probably get right now at full price. The Articles of Society jeans, I don't really need any jeans, but these were super cute and I don't really have any exactly like this, so I'm even considering those. It's a problem, right? A first world problem. This tank with the beautiful color, so easy. I have a vacation coming up at the end of the month to Boston, and this would be really cute, I think, sightseeing. I'll have to watch the video playback to see how the back looks and let me know your thoughts on that one. the green sweater sleeveless. I like this one. I'm not sure. It seems like it's more maybe fall with the color and all. And then I think my favorite piece is definitely this blue dress. So this one is probably mine. This one is probably the one that I'm definitely leaning towards keeping, but let me know. And I really, really value your input and your opinions on it. And if you do unboxings, please leave that below. Again, thank you, Ammi and Mandi, for using my link. It'll help me get an extra piece that I wouldn't have otherwise. So thank you, I appreciate that. If anybody else would like to try a box, feel free to use my link or use somebody's referral link. And I will look forward to maybe if you're brave and post it on YouTube to watch that. Thank you so much. Blessings on your day.